Oh, this is
That's
organic.
the organic strawberry. If you don't want organic, they have non-organic out in the other greenhouse.
Blah, you're Mrs. Blah? Mrs. and Mr. Blah.
That's not how you do loving, hon. Oh my God.
Good morning, Philippines!
Okay.
Bah!
Ay, naku, Lord. Han, don't scare me like that, honey. Huh?
Who's driving?
I guess me. You have brush? I guess ako yung mag-drive. Ay, nako. He doesn't wanna drive, guys. You. You don't feel like driving. I don't know where we're going.
Here. I will drive. You want me to drive? I will drive.
And I can see your reaction if you feel like driving or not. Hello, we never close this thing.
What?
I think I did close the garage.
What?
Can you hold this for now? I'll go.
Oh, I am holding it like this. This is why you got all tripods and craps and sticky things to your window, and you got me holding it.
Hold on, sir. No, he's like complaining, guys. Complain. Okay, you can close it.
See, she's short and she's the plane, boss, the plane. Just call it tattoo.
What? What is wrong with my
Welcome
husband?
to Fantasy Island.
Welcome to Fantasy. Is that Fantasy Island, right? Who's that short guy?
Tattoo.
His name is Tattoo.
Herb Villachez.
Huh?
His real name is Herb Villachez.
Okay, please. Look at this dandelion.
I know, it's crazy. We got
Hey,
really-
listen. If it's going to rain next day, and then after it rain, we have to pour it, okay?
Turn into those little fluffy
Look
heads
at the
and they
neighbor.
blow.
Look at the neighbor too. And Harold too. Look at the neighbor, honey. How nice it is.
I know.
And how nice it
I told
is.
you we gotta put that stuff down, but you didn't want to. I said no, because I'm gonna cut it. Okay, get it in there. Let it start killing. See, they turn the fluffy balls and they blow,
Look at
and then you
Harold.
get billions
Yeah.
of them.
Oh my God, guys! Look at these two birds dancing.
Yeah, they eat
What is
the
that?
deer.
Holy cow!
Poor little deer. And somebody put a blanket over it.
Oh my God!
Poor little thing.
Oh Lord!
The deer's eating it. The birds are just taking it.
That deer. I think whoever killed that deer feels bad because they put something. Probably that's nighttime, hon. You cannot see, or it jumped too late, right?
You gotta be careful. That's why you're supposed to look in the sides, because you can tell what's gonna happen.
Hala, I don't bring. Did you bring your mask?
I bring a mask.
Oh,
Oh, you don't bring one?
ayun na pa.
You sure? You're not in the house still?
It's the one in the house, and we have here too. Punta kami pala guys sa Adams. We're going to look for strawberry and also fusoil. So yun. And the cloud is very dark. I thought it's gonna be nice today, but no, I'm wrong. Yesterday was the perfect day, and the other day. Pero okay na. It's okay anyway, right, hon? If it's not like freezing.
That's cool.
Kaya dito tayo guys. Sa Adams po ito, Adams. First time namin dito ni Tami. What is this for? So dito kami ngayon. Let's go to the garden area.
Roddy,
No.
melty, small.
It's okay.
No? I have to get something else.
No, the one that we have, it's okay.
No, really not.
You just want to get something. That's it. Very good. Hummingbird thing, $10. Strawberry. Let's find. Are you sure they have fruits? Excuse me. Do you guys have strawberries?
Try outside in this is organic.
Oh, this is
That's
organic.
the organic strawberry. If you don't want organic, they have non-organic out in the other greenhouse.
Oh, you have other greenhouse
Yeah,
over
go
there.
through this door here,
Mm-hmm.
continue with another greenhouse. But this is the organic one. If you know, you're going to be eating the strawberries, it's your personal preference, really.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you don't want it, you can just put
Yeah,
it back.
yeah. Is that catnip?
Yeah.
No, that's not catnip.
Organic catnip.
How much?
$1.99.
That's a big one.
Get one for Hob.
Just get one.
Yeah. It has more leaves. Has
And
more
this
leaves,
is
right?
just a grass in the Philippines.
Catnip.
Yeah, it's we just like a grass. And this is also strawberry. Look. Oh, it says herbs, strawberry, alpine. What does that mean?
Good, grab it.
No, it looks like this. It looks like strawberry to me. It's this. It doesn't say organic, but pretty. Look, look, a nice fountain over there, honey.
Yeah, I like that.
Hello. There's a fish here. This is pricey. Hala, look at that blue, honey. How big is this? Bili din kami nito, guys. Para ano, fertilizer.
Got it.
Oh my god. I don't need that. Can I get one? Ito, mga tomato nila, guys. Oh. Ito, gusto ko to. What kind of tomato I want? Tomato. This is strawberries here.
That's a strawberry?
Yeah, you
It's
see?
catnip.
Strawberries. This is catmint. This one here. This is strawberries.
Oh, look, they even got little berries.
Yeah, how much is it?
I don't know.
This didn't put prices, so I just keep picking any price.
You only get a couple, right?
No,
You
we
only
get
have 3
only.
of them.
Do we have to do the price how much? Because
Yeah,
no,
or those two.
we have already one over
I
there.
know. Are those strawberries too?
No, that's not strawberries. It will grow. It's a baby thing. Hun, we need to know. No, but we need to get. Okay, get that one. No, we need to know how much is first.
Yeah.
That's strawberries too. Yeah, but we cannot just keep getting a lot. We just need
You
few.
don't really need a lot. How many you want to grow?
Hi guys, nakabalik na kami sa bahay, ampunan. Kakain ako, and then si Tami, tumubo yung ano guys, yung litos na inano, tumubo siya, oh, tingnan mo. Ang bilis tumubo ni Maring. Kain lang kami guys. I took this out for picking and stuff like that. Kain kami kasi nagutom. Sobrang ginaw sa labas. Bilis lang tayo. Hindi naman amoy dried fish. Nilagay kasi ni Tami yung dried fish sa ano, microwave. Sabi pa ni Tatami, dried fish, but it's worse. It's worse if you put it in the microwave. Guys, it's already 5:40 ng hapon. So, nagmamarinate lang ako ng salmon. Si Samon at saka si Simon. So, nakatulog kami guys. Natulog kami ni Tami dalawa. Magluluto lang kami. Meron naman kaming leftover. Yung leftover namin is, meron kaming gulay. Madaming gulay. Makita ko nga sa inyo kung ano yung nabili namin kanina sa Wait, what store is that, honey, that we went to? Adams. So, we went to Adams. Yung Adams is may pagka din siya, may pagka-pricey a little bit. So, ang ginawa ko, ang binili namin is ito, strawberry. Ito siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito siya yung pinakamalaki at sobrang mahal. I think this is the organic one. Yeah, this is the organic one. And ito is, iwan ko, basta yon. May pagka-diferensya yung price. It's, yung nila, yung organic is mahal. Yun. This one is $4 something and that one is $9 something. It's almost $10. $10. And bumili din ako ng, meron naman akong tomato guys, pero gusto kong bumili ng tomato. Ito yung binili ko na klase na tomato. Also, ito din. Ito siya. Ito siya. Look, yung paper, yung Miracle Grow, yung ibang ipasok ko yan sila guys dahil yung mga seedling ko kasi may mga seedling doon na dapat kong ipasok kasi mga few days from now sobrang baba yung temperature, as in kapag gabi is 30 something, sobrang it's below, it's froze na siya, mag-froze. So na guys, yung ulam ni Tami, salmon, we're going to eat guys, and my husband is so loving. No, I'm the loving one. My husband is blah.
Blah.
Blog. Yeah, he doesn't.
Mr. Blah.
He doesn't. Can you loving me? I'm the blah one, okay? Can you just do me?
You're a Blah? You're Mrs. Blah? Mrs. and Mr. Blah.
That's not how you do loving, hon. Oh my God.
That's not how you do it. Oh, that's not how it works. It don't work that way. Oh, it's not like that. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so good. He doesn't know how to loving.
Yeah. Stories.
I love you.
Me too. Get your water.
I have my water right there. Where is your water? Let that grow first. It doesn't need to go to the ground. Yeah, I know it's going up. Don't touch it. You have a green thumb. It will die. Tommy doesn't. Oh my God! Every time he
Coming
touches.
from my wife who can't keep cat grass alive
Seriously?
for a week because she won't water it.
She touched my lime. He touched my lime. The lime is dying. Like
I didn't
yellow.
never touch a lime.
Yes, you did. Become yellow.
Yeah, you did that. I touched it. I never touched it. You said, "Oh, look at this leaf.
You're right.
It's frost." I put it outside and it got frost.
10 o'clock na guys. Matutulog na kami. Nanonood kami ng Fantastic Four. The newer one. Yung asawa ko is tulog na tulog. The cats is here. Han? The cats is in the front porch. I'm going to feed them. May pusa kasi doon guys. So, bigyan natin ng dry food. And para hindi ito lilipad, lagyan natin ng mabigat. Doon, that's the pregnant cat. Poor little baby. Bakainin natin doon. So, binigyan ko na siya ng dry food at saka tubig. And I gave dry food and water, Han. And he left. She left. Pregnant siya, guys. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye, Han. See you tomorrow, guys. Nanonood kami Fantastic Four. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.